In this video, we'll be taking a look at all of our settings pages and what you can use them for. Our first option under settings is Amazon Seller Account. Notice this user has a red exclamation point on their settings tab which denotes an error. If you ever see this, be sure to click it to resolve any issues that may stop repricing. From the Amazon Seller Account page, you can add new Amazon marketplaces to your account that you would like to import into StreetPricer. Once they're added here, the import process will begin, and you'll then be able to manage them individually along with any other currently attached marketplaces. You can also remove a marketplace here or simply activate and deactivate the connection with any individual marketplace. There's also a master switch for auto pricing on any given account if you'd like to disable or enable repricing for that entire account. If you ever have a token issue with any given account, such as after you've changed your Amazon account password like this customer has, this is where you resolve that issue simply by clicking the orange renew button. Here, you will also see the total SKU count for each attached store, as well as the total count of imported SKUs for all stores currently being managed. In the future, you will have the ability to attach and manage various e-commerce platforms that you use with your Amazon marketplace here as well. Our next settings page is Auto Price. On this page, you will be able to choose exactly what is done with the pricing changes for each of your specific marketplaces by clicking the blue Edit button to the right of the marketplace name. When you're ready for the changes to start going live to Amazon, you'll simply want to switch it to Amazon directly, where if you'd like to pause updates for any time period, you can change it to email, or you can disregard the suggested updates. Below this, you will see your auto price schedule, where you can decide exactly how often you would like the suggested changes sent through to Amazon. We recommend keeping this at immediate 24/7, so changes will always happen as needed in near real time. But you do have the options to suit your individual business needs. Finally, we have our auto price rules, where you can see your current rules, create new rules, and see how many SKUs are currently being used by any specific rule. Next, we have our Blacklist and Whitelist page. Here, you can add a set number of users to either your Blacklist or Whitelist depending on your subscription tier. Users added to your Blacklist are your main competitors that you know are selling many of the same items that you are. You can add those users to your Blacklist if you'd like to set rules to target those users specifically. This is useful if you'd like to try to push a specific seller out of the market with more aggressive pricing. Alternatively, there's the whitelist for users you do not wish to compete with. For example, if you have a friend selling many of the same items and you've agreed not to compete with them, you could add them to your whitelist and they would then not be considered as competition. Keep in mind, your own stores on the same account would already not be considered as competition. Next, we have our Min and Max Prices page, where you can use our Auto Min and Auto Max system to set your minimum and maximum pricing store-wide based on a set percentage of your current price. For example, if you'd like all of your items to have a floor price of 10% under their current price, you can set that store-wide here with just a couple clicks. If you do need different pricing percentages for different items, as many users do, the easiest way to do this would be by CSV file. We of course have a tutorial for making those changes, which you can find linked in the description below. The same can be done for your ceiling price, and each store can be done on an individual basis with different percentages as needed. Finally, we have our notifications page, where you can enable a daily email with the changes made for that given day. If enabled, you can enter a specific email address for each attached marketplace, and an email will go out each day with the changes that have either been made or suggested for that specific store. At StreetPricer, we're always improving, and our customers like you are a huge part of that. If you ever have any new additions or changes you'd like to see, you can quickly and easily let us know by clicking the Request a Feature button found at the top of every page in the software. Anything you send our way, we'll always review and even contact you for more information as needed. Thanks so much for watching. Keep an eye out for more tutorial videos coming weekly, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or there's anything at all that we can help with. We hope you have a truly fantastic day.